how you can create a LinkedIn account. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. First, make sure that you've installed your LinkedIn app and you've updated it to its latest version. Now after doing so, just open it up. Now you will have different options right here. First is to just join it using your email and password. Other is to continue with your Apple ID, and the other one is to continue with your Google account, and the last one is if you already have an account, just sign in. Now since we are here to create a LinkedIn account, just using Google account will be the easiest option, so we'll just tap on it. Now after you guys have selected your Google account, as you can see right here, it's asking me different options and different questions that's gonna appear on my LinkedIn account. Now this right here, you can just do this, toggle this on yes if you're a student or not, and after that just type in your university. I'm just gonna do the first thing that comes up, so just keep it up and just do that. Okay, so just tap on next and follow along with the setup. Now here you can just keep on going forward. You can add your profile picture, you can add your information, you can add your experiences, and so many more. Now you can also add a location right here. Now just add the job location, any job location, job titles, any job titles will do. Now just tap on next, tap on done, and you can connect with people, but let's skip that for now. And you can follow different interests, you can follow different people and companies, and after doing all that, you will have created your first LinkedIn account. And here you go guys, this is how you create a LinkedIn account. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye.